Hey guys, today the new mod is here at Paul Min, and we're with Aiden Smart 3898, aka
Hello?
Aiden's Garage Doors,
Oh, wait.
and I'm on
You
the
want
phone with him.
you want to call it, or you want me to call it?
You can call it, and we're at Paul Min.
All right. We got a Dover Black one. It has a very epic motor.
Two?
Here we go. Let's listen to the motor.
It sounds like a Westinghouse motor. We're at two. Aiden will send us down to one. Excuse all the background noise. Yeah, here we go. Beautiful Dover.
Very quiet.
Here we are at one. We'll take this for one more ride.
All right, let's listen to the motor again. This has an epic motor.
Here we are at two. Aiden will send us down to one again. Here we are at one. It's got the classic leveling.
Yep.
And there it goes in. That's it.